Hi children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today our revision assignment is chapter 2, the 4 operations. You can refer exercise 2.7 to 2.9. Coming to first one, if you subtract 54 from a number and then divide by 12, the quotient is 173. What was the original number? So here what we are doing, if you are subtracting 54 from a number and then divide by 12. First we have to subtract 54 from a number, then we are dividing 12. The quotient is 173. What was the original number? That means first what we are dividing with number 12. So what is the quotient? That means 173. So already we know that one. How did you get the dividend? Dividend equal to quotient into remainder plus quotient into divisor plus remainder. So here that means we have to multiply 173 into 12. First we have to multiply 173 into 12. Now 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 1. 2 1s 2 plus 1 is 3. 1's place should be 0. 1 3 3, 1 7 7, 1 1 1. 6, 4 plus 3 is 7. 3 plus 7 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 2. So what is that one? 2076. If we are subtracting 54 from a number, that means what we have to do? If you add plus 54, you will get the original number, because here we are subtracting from a number, then we are dividing by 2 and we will get the remainder quotient as the 173. That means what we have to do? We have to add here. So 6 plus 4 is 10, 1 plus 7 is 1 plus 7 how much children? 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 3, 1 plus 0 is 1 and 2. So what is the answer? 2130. 2130. So what is the original number? 2130. That means 2130 minus 54. Then we are dividing with 12. The quotient is 173. That means what is the original number? 2130. So which is the correct option, children? Option 2. Next one. Estimate the value of 9370 minus 5200. That means we have to nearest thousands we have to take. So what is the nearest thousands of 9370? That means 9000, because hundreds place we have to check. What is the hundreds place? 3. So 3 is below 5 or above 5? Below 5. Below 5 means below 1000 we have to take. That means this number in between 9000 and 10,000. So below 1000 means 9000. Now coming to 5200. What is the hundreds place number? 2. So 2 is below 5. Means below 1000 we have to take. That means that number 5200 is in between 5000 and 6000. So which is the below 1000? 5000. That means 9000 minus 5000. So what is the answer, children? 4000. So which is the correct option? Option 4. Next one. Estimate the value of 8379 into 8. So what is the given number? 8379. Means we have to take to nearest 1000. 8379 means 8000. Because hundreds place number is 3, that is below 5, means below 1000 we have to take. That means this number in between. What is the number given? 8379. In between 8000 and 9000. Below 1000 what we have to take? 8000. So 8 is nearer by 10. So multiply 8000 into 10. What did you get, children? 8000 into 10? 80,000. What did you get? 80,000. Which is the correct option? Option 1. Next one. Mohit earned rupees 58,000 per month for a year. His sister earned 2,89,000 that same year. How much money did both of them earn together in that year. We know only Mohit earned in 1 month only. We have to calculate complete whole year. So 1 year equal to how many months, children? 12 months. We know per month. So 12 months equal to, we have to multiply first 58,000 into 12. Now 2 0 0, 2 0 0, 2 0 0, 2 8s are 16, 1 2 5 10 plus 1, 11, 1's place should be 0, 1 0 0, 1 0 0, 1 0 0, 1 8 8, 1 5 5. So add the numbers 0 0 0, 6 plus 0 is 6, 1 plus 8 is 9, 1 plus 5 is 6. So 6,96,000. So Mohit earned per year equal to 6,96,000. Now coming to his sister, how much? 2,89,000. So what we have to do? How much money did both of them earn together? Together means what we have to do? We have to add. So add these two numbers. 0 plus 0 0, 0, 0. 6 plus 9 is 15. 1 plus 9 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 1 plus 6 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. So what did you get? 9,85,000. 9,85,000. Which is the correct option, children? Option 2. Next one. Venu bought 32 boxes of cherries. There were 140 cherries in each box. He packed them into bags of 35 cherries each. How many bags did he use? See, what is the given one? Venu bought 32 boxes of cherries. There were 140 cherries in each box. 140 cherries in each box. He packed them into bags of 35 cherries each. How many bags did he use? So first what we have to do? First, how many cherries are there? So 32 boxes and there were 140 cherries in each box. So that means 140 into 32. 2 zeros 0, 2 fours 8, 2 ones are 2. Ones place should be 0, 0, 3 fours are 12, 1. 3 ones 3 plus 1 is 4. We'll get 0, 8, 4, 4. 4,480 cherries are there totally. Then again what he did, he packed them into bags of 35 cherries each. So how many bags did he use in all? So again he packed 35 in each bag. So one time we can take 135, 135. 4 minus 5 we cannot. So 4 will become 14. This will be 3. 14 minus 5 is 9. So take 8. So how many times we can take? 2 times. 2 35s are 70 minus 8 to 280. So can we divide, children? 35 into 280. Can we take approximately 8 times? 8 5s are 44. 8 3s are 24 plus 4 is 28. So how many bags are there? 128 bags. Option 4 is correct. Once again, children, see, Venu bought how many boxes of cherries? 32 boxes of cherries. Each box carry 140 cherries. And then what he did again? He packed them into bags of 35 cherries each. He take away from that boxes. So total number of cherries are 4,480. These all cherries he put into some bags. So each bag having 35. So total how many bags are required? That means what we have to do? 4,480 is divided by 35. Total you will get 128 bags. Got it, children? Next one. A total of 17,226 children from 27 different schools participated in a sports event. If an equal number of students participated from each school, how many students from each school took part in the event? That means what we have to do? We have to divide 17,226 we have to divide by 27. So can we divide 17 divided by 27? No. 172 we have to take, children. So approximately how many times we can take? Can we take 6 times, children? See, 6 27s how much? 6 27s. 6 7s are 42, 4, 6 2s are 12 plus 4 is 42 plus 4 is 16. So we can take 6 times. So 6 27s are 162. Now subtract 2 minus 2 0. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 minus 1 0. Now take 2. Now approximately how many times we can take, children? Can we take 102 means can we take 3 times? See, 3 times or 5 times? 3 times we can take. So 3 27s. 3 7s are 21, 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8. Now 81. Now subtract 2 minus 1 is 1. 10 minus 8 is 2. Because 0 will become 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Now bring down 6. So 216 is divided by 27. How many times we can take, children? Approximately. Can we take 608 times? See, 8 27s. 8 7s are 56, 5. 8 2s are 16 plus 5 is 21. So 0. So 638. That means how many students from each of the school took part in event? 638. So total number of students we know. How many schools already we know. So we can find number of students from each school. So which operation will be done here? That is division. So number of students are participated from the school is 638. Which is the correct option, children? Option 1. Next one. Irfan bought a refrigerator and 15 TV sets for rupees 9,80,630. If the refrigerator cost is, see here, this is rupees symbol, children. So if the refrigerator cost is 35,000, find the cost of TV set. So here we have to find the TV set cost. Okay. So that means what we have to do here? If I bought a refrigerator and 15 TV sets. Okay. 15 TV sets. If I bought refrigerator and 15 TV sets cost. So already we know that one total cost of refrigerator and 15 TV sets. But we have to find the cost of each TV set. So total cost is spent 9,80,630. From that, refrigerator cost 35,000. So subtract 35,000, children. So we'll get 15 TV cost. 3, 6, 5. It will be 7 because it will be regrouping. 7 minus 3 is 4, 9. Now we have to divide. 9,45,630 is divided by 50. So 9,45,630 is divided by 50. So how many times we can take, children? Approximately. See, can we take 5 times? Yes. 5 15s are 75. Now subtract 4 minus 5 we cannot. 4 will become 14. This will be 8. 14 minus 5 is 9. 8 minus 7 is 1. Now bring down 5. Okay, bring down 5. Now coming to here, we are taking, can we take 6 times? Yes, because 6 times are, 6 15s are how much? 90. So 90 we can take. So that means directly it will be 4. Now take down 5. So can we take directly 3 times? 3 50s are 45, no? So 45. Now 0. Now take 6. You cannot. Now keep the 0. Bring down 3. Now how many times we can divide, children? 4 times. 4 50s are 60. Now 3. Now bring down 0. Now 2 times. It will be 30. 30 minus 30 is 0. So what is the answer? 63,042 rupees. What is the cost of each TV set? That is 63,042 rupees. Which is the correct option, children? Option 1. Next one, estimate the value of 7,700 plus 5,420. So what we have to do? We have to estimate the value. That means we have to nearest thousands we have to take because thousands are there here. 7,700. What is there in hundreds place? 7. 7 means below 5 or above 5? Above 5. That means that number in between 7,000 and 8,000. Above 5 means above 1,000 we have to take. That means 8,000. The nearest thousands is 8,000. Now 5,420. So what is the hundreds place? 4. So 4 means below 5. Below 5 means below 1,000 we have to take. That number is in between 5,000 and 6,000. Below 1,000 means 5,000. So 8,000 plus 5,000 how much, children? 13,000. So which is the correct option, children? Option 2. Next one. Estimate 24,581 to the nearest thousands. Nearest thousands means what we have to take? We have to check the hundreds place number. That is 5. 5 means midway number. Midway number always we have to take next thousand. That means this number in between 24,000 and 25,000. So what is the nearest thousand, children? 25,000. Which is the correct option, children? Option 1. Coming to next one. If you add 9 to a number and then multiply it by 12, the product is 324. What was the original number? Hint, start by dividing 324 by 12. That means we have to divide. First 324 is divided by 12. How many times we can take, children, here? 2 times. 2 12s are 24. Now 2 minus 4 we cannot. 2 will become 12. This will be 2. 12 minus 4 is 8. Now 4. 7 times 84. Okay. Now what we have to do? 27 we got it. Then what we have to subtract? 27 minus 9. 27 minus 9. What did you get? 18 is the answer. So the original number is 18. Option 2. So that means if you add 9 to a number and then multiply by 12, the product is 324. What was the original number means? What we have to do first? We have to divide 324 is divided by 12. What we will get? 27 is the answer. From that we have to subtract 9. We will get the original number. What is the original number, children? 18. Got it, children? Practice once again. Thank you.